What's up guys, I'm Cameron from Cam Talks Tech, and today we're actually unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro here. It is in the Sierra blue color and I got the 256 gigabyte model. I actually opted to go for 256 this year because Apple's releasing ProRes video for this model, and they actually limit it to 1080p video if you only get the 128 gigabyte model. So I wanted to try it out in 4K when that does get released. That way I can put some stuff on the channel showing off that ProRes. So I'm actually upgrading from the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you know, I decided for the first time since the 6S Plus to go for a smaller phone. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. I got these pull tabs on the back, and I'm really excited about this color. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's a very nice soft blue and it looks really pretty. Show that to you over there. And yeah, so this year they actually updated the phone to have 120 hertz refresh rate screen, and I'm very excited about that too. But next up in the box, you just got your USB-C to lightning cable, and then you got your, you know, regular old, you know, Apple documentation. So you get the SIM tool and quick start guide and a sticker. And still no charger in the box, which is probably never coming back. But yeah. Then yeah, here's the Sierra blue color again, and we'll go ahead and get it booted up and kind of see what it's like. Alright, so we have the phone booted up here, and it has the new like hello in all sorts of different languages, just like it did on the M1 Max when they released this year. But let's see what it's like with this 120 hertz screen right off the bat. And holy cow, you could really tell a difference. That's like night and day. I wish they wouldn't have waited so long to do this. But yeah. Here pretty soon I'm going to be doing like a first impressions and full review, and actually take some photos and some video, try out the cinematic mode, and do a whole bunch of cool stuff with it to show off on the channel. So thank you guys for tuning in for the unboxing, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.